So I'm Helen Morgan-Howard, Engagement and Volunteering Manager for Macmillan in Wales, and I lead a small team of engagement leads and volunteering service managers and coordinators who both engage with people affected by cancer and their families across Wales and deliver volunteering services to people living with cancer. We've recently launched a new practical and emotional support volunteering scheme in Wrexham in North Wales, and volunteers, we have 12 so far, will go into people's homes and provide support directly to them. The scheme is based on a volunteering scheme that's been running in Carmarthenshire in South West Wales for several years, and we have 30 volunteers delivering that service in Carmarthenshire. So when the results of the Wales Cancer Patient Experience Survey were launched last year, we learnt that most people who were surveyed were overall happy with their cancer care in Wales, but that there were many areas of cancer support that they didn't have information about, including how to get in touch with the Welfare Benefits Advisor, for example. So what the team, in collaboration with other colleagues in Wales and in collaboration with a small group of people affected by cancer, did was to find out whether it would be helpful to produce a resource containing the sort of key types of support and information people could ask for in Wales, and a question set that could help them ask the right questions at their healthcare appointments. And what the team did was to use their presence at the summer shows, such as the Eisteddfod and the Royal Welsh, to ask people whether this type of resource would be helpful to them and if there was any way of improving it. And so we used all that feedback to produce what we launched last year, which is this little guide called Your Cancer Care in Wales. I think the views and what matters to people affected by cancer should be at the heart of everything that Macmillan does. And the only way we'll know what matters to people is if we ask them and involve them meaningfully in our work.